Good morning, everyone. The long-awaited video has finally come. Sorry about that. I've been extremely busy, so I just wasn't able to balance the whole making videos and doing everything that I need to do for life kind of thing. So, but yeah, here we are, Tuesday morning, and we're gonna get ready. And first thing we're gonna do is head out to the gym. Alright, there she is. There she is. Hard parked in her natural beauty. I think one of my favorite features is actually these lights here. I love how they're so aggressive. You can see from the side profile, they look fantastic. Nicely done. I mean, just gorgeous. Perfect finish. Aired out right now. Still on the same wheels, Forgestar 14s. But it looks quite white, doesn't it? I mean, it looks pretty darn near like just straight white, if you ask me. I don't dislike that at all. But I mean, just awesome looking. I mean, on this side, definitely looks a little bit more gray because it's shaded. Definitely gray. Just a slight bit. All the way through. But I mean, perfect. Just perfect. Oh man, another beautiful day in the Pacific Northwest. Clear skies, light breeze. Oh my. Coming out to this thing, man, I love it. I'll never get sick of this thing. Just look at it. Just looks like back at home. So we can get a good angle of these. There we go. Probably one of my favorite features on the car, to be honest. I mean, they just look so good. Got our post-workout meal. Today I've got quartered chicken breasts, a couple cups of white rice, and then got about a half cup of the baby spinach here. Speaking of baby spinach, we got a little smoothie that's going on. We've got a cup of baby spinach and baby kale, and a cup of fruits. So we've got frozen raspberries and peaches, along with what's going in there, a little bit of almond milk, scoop of chia seeds, and of course flax seeds. We got to get our fibers, and that's all going to be blended up in here. And usually that's a basic idea of what I eat. Sometimes I'll replace the quartered chicken with 2 chicken thighs, depending on if I want a little bit more fat in the day. But yeah, pretty simple example there. And this always tastes really good. Sometimes I'll put if I'm lacking a little bit of protein, I'll put a little bit of protein in here as well. So yeah, And then usually during my meal, I'll go ahead and reply to comments. I'll be on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Mashimo.com, fulfilling orders, whatever it may be. So always doing a good job to make sure I can just reply to all the comments that you put below. So I appreciate it. Thank you for all the support. As you can see, I've got currently 71 to filter through right now. So, and then we get this little critter here, right, Kimchi? Just sitting here being lazy, doing what you do best. I gotta be so cute. I gotta be so cute. Kind of looks a little bit more gray now, doesn't it? That looks 100% gray, does it not? Like, pure gray. And that doesn't. But watch what happens. It's the same color. It's weird. So weird. So weird. By itself. Again. By itself. Pretty gray. Pretty white. No joke. Same color. That's how weird it was. But I love it. And this is how it looks aired up. This is how I clear speed bumps, anything like, I guess, going up hills and whatnot. So getting back to this, kind of forgot, but these are the rears. And somewhere in here, as you can see, these are the fronts. So I'll drop a link below. I'm just gonna give it away, raffle it. Just whoever wins can just have them. I'll just do like $10 raffle. I'll put the link below for you guys. 10 bucks. You can enter as many times as you want. I'll ship it if I need to. But yeah, the story behind it, I'll try and keep it somewhat of a description. These have a actually, let's see if I can show you. So this here, this nipple piece here, the part kind of what was welded kind of came apart, so it started leaking air. Other than that, nothing. If you're a welder, someone that, or know someone that can weld, be a pretty cheap rebuild or steel, whatever you want to call it. The fronts are fine, no issues with them whatsoever. I replaced them just because they weren't low enough for me. For now, these can tuck the fronts. That one cannot. That will just barely kiss the front piece here. So it actually kind of comes up to like here, I think. So perfect for someone who doesn't care, but I'm all about the look as well, I guess. And you know, this is also my first vlog, so I'm gonna try and, you know, change some things up if some of you guys want to, you know, follow me on that kind of stuff. So hopefully you guys can, you know, see some cool things, follow me around and whatnot. And I'll be sure to keep, you know, other videos, content with this thing in general. But I think the vlog thing might be something that you guys would like. You know, you can kind of just follow me as I go with car shows, photo shoots, any events, rallies, all that kind of stuff. So, by the way, what do you guys think of this? You know, how do you like it? What do you think is next? You know, what do you guys want to see? You know, I had before like the GT RS3 hood. I had, you know, CSL trunk. I had the performance steering wheel and 3 rockers, all that kind of stuff. But what are you guys thinking? You know, I'm thinking just something simple. I don't want to do too much more right now, to be honest. I actually like it. I like it a lot. Drives fine. It's fast. It's loud. It's good. I'm thinking maybe a splitter. I don't need the big brake kit. I've already got the steering wheel coming in, so that's what I'm thinking. But what do you guys think of it? What do you guys want to see? Comment below. Be happy to be entertained, maybe give you some ideas. Yeah? Awesome. Well, we had quite an eventful day, and as you can see, pretty happy with, again, how the color turned out and everything, and I appreciate your guys' support. I'm gonna say that if you haven't subscribed already, I'm gonna try and drop videos probably a couple times a week. 2 to 3 is my goal. I haven't been doing it, but I promise I'm gonna do it. Got a couple things for the inside here, as you saw before, but a couple cool things, hopefully with the seats, steering wheel, a couple other things, but I don't want to get too far into that right now. We all know with these, I got more here, not even open. Got stock wheels, we got some up here just hanging around. We all know we got plenty of other tires, unfortunately, which is how I do. And if you haven't already, subscribe, comment below questions. I'm always going to answer those. I'm going to actually pick a day probably to answer all the questions that you guys have about me, I don't know, personal life, whatever you want to call it, I guess. But I get a bunch of random things. And then most importantly, a couple videos coming up every week. I'm going to try to do 2. I'm going to try and keep somewhat of a vlog as well for you guys if you guys want to see, you know, what I do. Follow me. I've got a photo shoot tomorrow, so you guys can catch up with me on the vlog on that. We'll meet Brandon. He's a pretty cool guy. He's been the guy that's been doing all the videos and photos for this guy. So yeah, we'll have something else tomorrow. Bring you guys in on that, and then I'll also upload some of those things for you too. Other than that, like I said, don't forget to also check out moshimaro.com. I've got a lot of merchandise that are coming out. So I'm going to do, if you guys want, some cool shirts, sweaters, stuff like that. So I've got a lot of random requests for stuff like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and do whatever you guys want. I'm also going to explore a couple other things. I might even open up another channel. I get people asking me, you know, as you guys saw today, maybe doing like another channel, something geared towards a little bit more fitness. I know I don't want to kind of dilute my channel with all this personal stuff, so I'll keep something open for that as well. But like I said, like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.